We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hakka weddings are steeped in tradition and taboo. While variations are many, the main points are the same: to ward off evil and bring good luck. Before the wedding, the groom took a gift of meat, usually pork, to his wife's maternal grandmother. This aporo, or granny meat, indicated his respect for her family and generated goodwill. Then, on the day of the wedding, the bride-to-be ate 2 eggs boiled with betel nut, rice, and herbs to bring her fertility and long life, and clean away her past with the cooking water. Auspicious objects like a calendar and an old bronze mirror were hidden in her dress. Before leaving home, she ate a last meal with her parents and siblings, keeping a bowl of rice to symbolize the start of her new family. As she departed, she was forbidden from looking back within 100 steps for fear of angering her mother-in-law. Her parents threw a bowl of water onto the sedan as it left, washing their daughter out of their family. Her fan dropped from the sedan window was her promise not to return, but to leave the family riches to her siblings. Hi everyone, this is Joseph Lin with our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 S 鹏。这么给你感冒啊
Excuse me, I'm sorry, 感冒这个我还听得懂。所以 you know what? Maybe today it's a good day to teach people about these terms about catching a cold. 今天应该来教这个感冒的一些有关的词啊，比如说咳嗽，我刚才咳嗽嘛，
紧出，
所以我跟人家讲说，我一直紧出就是在咳嗽就对了。Okay, that means coughing. 再来，除了咳嗽还有什么呢？流鼻水了，这种最麻烦。流鼻水，流鼻涕。不，流鼻水。It rhymes with 流鼻涕啊，流鼻水。Okay, that's runny nose. 我看我还有什么症状？喉咙有点痛
喉咙痛，
好痛哦！听起来好可爱哦，喉咙痛，
喉咙痛，
喉咙痛哦，好啊，那种感觉。是喉咙痛是不是？Okay, that's a sore throat. 喉咙痛，喉咙痛。Okay, so let's review those terms. You say you have a runny nose, 流鼻水 You're coughing, 咳嗽紧出这个我记得and 喉咙痛 you have a sore throat
喉咙痛
That's our Hakka lesson of the day. I am Joseph Lin and I will see you next time.
张来了俺子say
张来了
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.